Hi, my name is Stephen Sindoni. Thank you for tuning in today's program entitled The Bible's View on Homosexuality. This message is directed to our confused President Barack Obama. Here is what the Bible has to say on your perverted behavior in the White House, which must be comical for the Secret Service to observe. Leviticus chapter 18, 22nd verse. Do not practice homosexuality. Having sex with another man is a detestable sin. In closing, Barack, I think it's time that you change your evil ways.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.